all change over the weekend?
Hi, Jen. Exactly that. Some big changes lie ahead. We've just become so familiar with prolonged dry conditions and lots of sunshine, haven't we? But for gardeners and growers in particular, I think I'm back in your good books because, yes, we do have quite a bit of rain in the forecast. Good for the gardens, of course. And Sunday at the moment looks to be our drier day of the weekend. So here's the rainfall accumulation chart then over the coming days. I'd say up until the run up until the Easter, we're looking at around 40 to 50 millimetres of rainfall quite widely, perhaps closer to 60 to 70 millimetres in parts of the south and west. As for this evening then, most of us will end up seeing some late sunshine. We do have some low cloud and sea fog though running up through the Irish Sea. That is affecting some coastal areas. And then overnight lows around 3 to 7 Celsius. So not quite as cold as last night, but still chilly enough for the chance for a touch of ground frost for rural inland areas. Tomorrow then, if you are up early, I think a bit of sunshine to start, but then we've got these frontal systems moving in. Sunday though, a little bit of a breather, so that's why we'll see drier conditions then. So tomorrow then, quite quickly, we'll see cloud roll across the country. With that, some showery outbreaks of rain will move in too, so eventually reaching eastern areas. I think some of this rain will be on the heavy side, but still some drier gaps in between. Temperatures down on today's values, where we got up to about 22 degrees locally. So tomorrow's highs 13 to 18 Celsius. That comes with quite gentle winds. So where you do get that rain, it could be quite slow moving. Saturday night then, rain for many of us, again, some on the heavy side, and that will largely tend to peter out during the early hours of Sunday morning. Sunday itself then, I think there will be some bright or sunny spells, but generally speaking, it does look to be often cloudy with some scattered showers around, but there should be some lengthier, drier spells for us to be able to get out and about. But I think the main difference on Sunday is the noticeable drop in those temperatures, just 11 to 14 Celsius. Probably more of a breeze too, more noticeable for coastal spots. As for Monday then, some sharp showers in the forecast. With that, some quite brisk winds. Tuesday, there does look to be a low pressure system and frontal system, so perhaps more persistent rain. I'd say just when looking at the outlook, generally speaking, Thursday perhaps something drier, but just generally speaking, in the run up to Easter, it does look to be pretty unsettled, with those temperatures dropping closer to average. If you do have any washing on the line, bring it in this evening. That's the latest. Have a lovely weekend. Jen.
Sabrina, thank you.